I'm gonna show you how to enjoy some edamame beans. These are just frozen ones from Tesco's. I brought this. Like, the idea is to like rough puff my lawn. And this is what I'm gonna be putting over my edamame beans. It's salt and pepper seasoning, hot and spicy. These should be about done. We have the beans. They are better to sprinkle the seasoning on when they are still warm. Bless me. And then just eat it. Healthy, a little bit spicy. What more do you want? 11 out of 10. See ya.